Hello everyone, I'm Emad Hashemi. Join me to learn how you can use Python for financial analysis. In this training course, we want to do financial analysis using Python. Before we get started, let's talk about the Python programming language and its benefits. Python is a powerful, high-level, object-oriented professional programming language that is expanding worldwide. This language, with its many amazing capabilities, has created a change in the world of programming. Python first entered the world of programming in 1991 and in recent years has attracted the attention of programmers and has become one of the leading tools in the field of application development, infrastructure management, and data analysis. Python keywords are simple, straightforward, and easy to understand, making it easy for novice users to understand and learn. In fact, this language does not have the usual complexities of other languages, and after programming, its logic is completely understandable. Python can be learned very well in a short time and can be used extensively due to its extensive libraries. Today, Python has become a major player in the world of technology in the development of web applications, systems management, and big data analytics, as well as artificial intelligence. Python owes this remarkable success and widespread use to a number of valuable features that it has provided to both professional and novice developers. These features include: Number 1. Easy to learn. Python is one of the easiest programming languages for beginners to learn. Python is a high-level programming language, meaning it has easy syntax that is very similar to English. Choosing a language that is learned quickly means you will spend less time debugging. Therefore, you will have more time to learn how to code and create more useful items. Number 2. Availability of support. When you learn programming, you will face problems which you will overcome. But no matter how good you are at learning new things, sometimes your code does not do what it ought to do. But what do you do when you get stuck? Once you've just started, how do you know how to solve a specific problem with Python? What is very interesting about learning Python is that it is very popular all over the world. For example, the TubeIndex ranks programming language based on the number of visits to search engines. The latest Tube report shows that Python is gaining popularity. Python is currently the third most popular programming language worldwide. That's why we can often trust the global community for help to support, and since many developers use Python, you can easily find solutions to a variety of problems. In addition, with a large collection of developers working with this language, you can easily connect with other like-minded students or professional developers around the world. Number 3. Demand in the labor market. Although money should not be your number one motivation, it is a sweet little thing that helps you get through difficult situations. When it comes to the job market, Python is the fastest growing programming language in the world according to the 2019 Stack Overflow Developer Survey. Hence, more developers are willing to work with Python than other languages. Now, it is easy to say that Python is a powerful skill that opens new doors to the professional world and the job market. The average salary for a Python developer is a considerable $76,526, as you can learn for yourself. Number 4. High learning resources. Now you know that Python is a valuable skill in the job market. But what makes it even more exciting is that you can learn Python programming through the hundreds of different tutorials, books, and courses available at beginners and advanced levels. Therefore, you can have a very valuable skill in your hands with the least investment. Number 5. Extensive libraries. Libraries are basically a collection of Python code that you can use for specific purposes. Because most of your programs in a particular field duplicate at least some of your code, libraries help you avoid duplication. The Python standard library lets you choose from a wide range of different modules to suit your project needs. Each module allows you to add a feature or functionality to your Python application without writing additional code. Number 6. Powerful frameworks. To speed up your workflow, you can also choose from several open source frameworks in Python. For example, when you want to create a web application, you can easily save time and simplify your development process by using powerful Python frameworks such as Django or Flask. Hence, access to popular Python frameworks will help you complete your coding projects faster. And faster development means you can accept more work or spend more time with friends and family. Number 7. Applicable on all systems. If you want to start learning Python, you no longer have to worry about what computer and operating system you use. Python can be run on any device, whether Mac, Windows, or Linux. It also means that you can write and use Python code on different systems without changing the code. This is especially true if you are working on a large-scale Python project with other developers. It does not matter if some of you are using a Mac or others are using Windows. No matter what operating system they use, everyone can read, write, and run the same code files. Number 8. Adaptation. Depending on the type of project you want to work on in the future, you need to choose the right programming language for the job. Because the problem is that each language, according to its capabilities, allows you to solve certain types of problems with code. Hence, programmers usually need to learn different languages for different jobs. There is almost no limit to what you can do with Python compared to many other languages. You can use Python for a variety of projects such as building web applications, conducting data analysis, machine learning, building games, visualizing data, and many other different fields. In short, one of the most important advantages of Python is its flexibility. Python is one of the most popular programming languages these days. Number 9. Free and open source. Lastly, Python is 100% free. You do not need a special subscription or custom operating system to start building projects with it. Open source means you can download source code, modify it, and even distribute it as you wish. All the tools you need for Python programming are completely free. So if you want, you can start programming with Python today.